Did you know the California lemon law applies to vehicles purchased for commercial purposes in limited circumstances? Here is how it breaks down. To qualify, the following conditions need to be met. 1. The business has 5 or fewer vehicles registered in California. 2. The vehicle has a gross vehicle weight under 10,000 pounds. 3. The vehicle is purchased or used primarily for business purposes. A commercial vehicle is considered a lemon if it has defects that substantially impairs its use, value, or safety, and the manufacturer was given a reasonable number of attempts to fix the defect. If the commercial vehicle qualifies as a lemon, the business owner is entitled to a repurchase or replacement vehicle. Both the replacement and refund remedies are subject to a usage fee for when the vehicle was first driven, without the issues causing it to be a lemon. As the prevailing party, the defendant has to pay for the business owner's attorney's fees and costs. Don't let a defective vehicle hinder your business. If you suspect your commercial vehicle is a lemon, the lemon law experts are ready to assist you. Contact us at 877-721-4716 or visit us at www.nolemon.com.